The tax man strikes again. This time, it's the state, not the feds, who are reaching into our pockets. And interestingly enough, this new real estate tax law does not seem to affect real estate outside of New York City. So we are looking at a bump in mansion tax and a slight bump in transfer tax. Now, typically transfer tax is paid for by the seller, and that transfer tax to New York State is currently 0.4%, with 1 to 1.425% going to the city, depending on purchase price. The state has bumped their transfer tax up from 0.4 to 0.65%. On the mansion tax, we see a dramatic increase in the fees associated with purchasing property. Over $1 million, the tax has been 1% of the purchase price, and that's been escalated as follows. For sales between 1 and 1.99999, there is no change. You're still looking at a 1% tax. From sales going 2 million to 2.99999, you're now paying 1.25%. You being the buyer, who typically pays this tax. Sales from 3 million to just under 5 million are 1.5%. From 5 million to just under 10 million are 2.25%. From 10 million to just under 15 million, you're looking at 3.25%. From 15 to just under 20, 3.5%. From 20 to 25, or just under, 3.75%. And for property over 25 million, you're now looking at 3.9%, almost 4 times as much tax as you previously were. And this is obviously going to have an impact on where prices go. I'd say there's going to be a little bit of a gray period where, neither buyer nor seller wants to absorb this new fee that exists in the marketplace. And given the general market conditions now, my gut is that the seller is really going to be the one who takes the hit until the market becomes stronger and it just becomes normalized and something that can be pushed on to buyers as it historically has been. That is all for today. Big news. Lots of new fees coming out of your pocket, going to the States. Give me a call if you want to talk more. I'm available anytime. Thanks so much, and until next time.